looks like the rain finally stopped, so now I can do a range test on this. The batteries are all charged. See, the battery's all charged. The remote is all charged. It's standing on 0, and I'm supposed to test the range on the H9 TeamGee H9 electric skateboard. Here we go. About almost 5 kilometers into the way. Well, so basically the idea is today just to ride this thing until the battery dies. So I'm tracking my movement via the Huawei Health app on my phone, and I'm correlating with the odometer on the remote. It's pretty damn accurate. It's exactly the same as the phone. I am now at 6.2 kilometers. I'm driving on H, level H, which is the second fastest. I thought that would be give me a good speed and should render a good, a good distance at least for this. Ah! That was a big fucking bump. Holy shit. Now I'm just short of reaching 13 kilometers, and I'm heading home direction now. I don't know how long this battery is going to last. I'm hoping it's going to go all the way to 18, maybe more. But I certainly don't want to carry this bad boy for another 8 kilometers. So I'm heading home direction now. Alright, so these batteries are on their last legs. I don't think it's going to go much further. We're standing on, according to the odometer on the Porsche remote, it's on 15.8, 15.9. I'm hoping maybe it'll go 16. We're currently doing 10 kilometers per hour. I'll let you know when it stops. It's not going to take long. As long as it's got power, this video continues. Oh, there we go again. I think it just died. As you can see, pressing the button, dead, completely dead. And it's official, we are on focus 17.3 kilometers, and this thing's had it. I think that's impressive nonetheless. 17 kilometers is a long ass distance. Well done. 17.3. I think if I didn't go over so many hills and stuff, 18 or more definitely. I'm very sure of that.